Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to change the chat wallpaper on the Line app. This is a simple way to personalize your chats and make your conversations more visually appealing. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, go to the chat. Then, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then, select the chat wallpaper option from the menu that appears. After that, you can choose a wallpaper from the list of available options provided by Line. If you prefer a custom image, click on your photos to select a picture from your gallery. Once you have chosen the wallpaper, click on Next at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Done to confirm your selection. Finally, click on Apply at the bottom right to set the new wallpaper for your chat. Changing your Line chat wallpaper is a quick and easy way to personalize your conversations. You can select a preloaded design or upload your own favorite photo to make your chats more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.